Hey everyone, welcome back on the channel. And if you are someone who's looking for latest hiring updates, off-campus drives, walking drives, then you are on a right channel. And in this video, we'll discuss Infosys hiring that is happening for 2026 batch students. And if you recently applied for the this Infosys online assessment, or you are waiting for your result, then this video is going to be very important for you. And in this video we'll cover everything step by step with proper proofs and latest updates, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And if you are someone who's new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe for latest hiring updates, walking drives, off campus drives. And if you received any email from Infosys and you have no idea what to do next, whether to give the exam again, whether to wait, or whether you have just been rejected, this video is going to clear everything up for you. So stay till the end because I'm going to break this down in the simplest way possible. So here's what happened. Infosys scheduled the online assessment for the 2026 batch on May 17th, and a lot of students appeared for the exam that day, but there was a major server error and the response of many candidates were not recorded properly, and because of this the exam was rescheduled. 1st to May 2024, 1st to May 24, and now finally to May 31st. And this is why there is so much confusion right now. And now this is the most important part of this entire video. So Infosys has sent three different types of emails to different candidates, and what you need to do next completely depends on which email you received. So let me go through each one. First of all, if email number 1, if you received a link to appear for the exam on May 31st, and if this is you, the answer is simple. You have to give this exam. It doesn't matter whether your previous attempt on May 17th was successfully submitted or not. Infosys has officially declared all previous attempts as invalid due to the server error. So this is a completely fresh attempt. Two slots are available, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So reset your password and at least 2 hours before the exam and be ready for exam on 31st May. Now email number 2. You received a message saying your response has been successfully recorded, but you did not receive a email for 31st May exam link. And if this is your situation, all you need to do is wait. Your attempt is being considered. Do not panic, just keep yourself updated and start exploring other opportunities in parallel while you wait for the result. And email number 3, the rejection mail. This means your round 1 has been evaluated and unfortunately you did not clear it. Even if you solved 2 or 3 questions, I know this is hard to hear, but this is not the end. Infosys runs new hiring drive regularly, and currently one more hiring of Infosys is going on. We have also made video on that. Go to our channel and apply for that hiring. Now there is typically a 6-month cooling period before you can reapply. Use this time wisely and practice your DSA, work on projects, and be ready for the next drive. Now let me quickly tell you the exam pattern for May 31st. It is a virtual online assessment. You will give it from home. There are 3 coding questions in total with a duration of 3 hours, roughly 1 hour per question. This is different from the 24-25 batch where there were 4 coding questions. 2 time slots are available, morning slot from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and evening slot from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. And make sure you check your email for which slot you have been assigned. Now before I wrap up, let me quickly tell you 3 mistakes that many candidates are making right now. First of all, skipping the May 31st exam because your friends didn't get the link. Everyone's situation is different. If you got the mail, you have to appear. And mistake number 2, comparing your status with others and getting stressed. Infosys has sent different emails to different batches. Your situation is individual. So don't make this mistake. And mistake number 3, panicking and not preparing. Just focus on what you can control. Your preparation, attend every link you receive and fill every survey you get and stay active in this hiring process. So guys, just prepare for the exam. If you got the exam link and if you got the successfully recorded mail with no new link, then just wait for your results. And if you got the rejection mail, then start preparing for the next hiring drives. And this was the complete update about this Infosys hiring for 2026 batch. And I hope this video will help you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.